Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by unlocking your Samsung S22 Ultra and returning to the home screen. Swipe up from the bottom and hold briefly to open recent apps. Find the first app you want to use in split screen. Tap its app icon at the top of the app card to open the menu. Choose Open in split screen view to pin that app to the top or left of the display. The phone now awaits selection of the second app for the lower or right pane. After the first app is pinned, pick the second app from Recent Apps or Home. Tap the second app to place it in the remaining pane of split screen. If the second app is not in Recent, open it from the Home or App drawer. Use the black divider between apps to drag and resize each pane. Tap the three-dot menu on the divider to select App Pair or Swap, making multitasking faster next time. Control split screen by dragging the divider left or right, or up and down. Drag fully to one edge to close the lower or right app and exit split screen. Tap the three-dot menu on the divider to open the current app in pop-up view or to create an app pair. Use gestures and edge panel shortcuts to relaunch app pairs quickly. To return to single app mode, swipe up to Recent and close one app, or drag the divider completely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.